If you've ever bought a crypto coin and watched it drop 50%, if you've ever felt confused by charts, scared by crashes, or tricked by hype, this channel was built exactly for you. My name is Mohammed Gentle, and welcome to Gentle Crypto School, where I break down everything about crypto in the simplest way possible. Here's the problem. Most people enter crypto the wrong way. They see someone post profits online, they buy whatever coin is trending, and within weeks, they've lost money. Not because crypto is bad, but because nobody taught them the rules of the game. I was that person too. I made every mistake possible. And those mistakes cost me money, time, and sleep. But here's what changed everything for me. I stopped chasing coins and started studying the market. I learned how to read charts, how to manage risk, how to pick the right projects, and slowly, everything clicked. This channel is me giving you everything I wish I had when I started. So here's exactly what we're going to cover together on Gentle Crypto School. Level 1. Crypto Basics. What is Bitcoin? What is Ethereum? What is blockchain? How wallets work? How exchanges work? Everything from zero. Level 2. How to read charts. Candlesticks, support and resistance, trends. I'll make it so simple that even your parents could understand it. Level 3. Trading strategies. Not gambling. Actual strategies with entries, exits, and stop losses that protect your money. Level 4. The mental game. Why most people lose money even when they know the strategy, and how to fix your mindset around money and risk. Level 5. How to find good projects. How to research altcoins before they pump, how to spot scams, and how to avoid rug pulls. Level 6. Building long-term wealth. DCA staking, how to think about crypto as part of a bigger financial plan. Every single video on this channel is going to be straight to the point. No fluff. No hype, no this coin will 100x nonsense. Just real education that actually helps you make better decisions in the market. Whether you're a complete beginner who just heard about Bitcoin for the first time, or someone who's been trading for a year and still losing, this channel is for you. Here's what I want you to do right now. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because I'm dropping videos regularly and every single one builds on the last. Think of this channel as your crypto school. Show up, pay attention, and I promise you, you will understand this market better than 90% of people out there. Welcome to Gentle Crypto School. Class is now in session. Let's get started.